2026 Cadillac Motorhome Camper represents a bold new chapter in the evolution of luxury travel. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the sheer presence of this vehicle commands attention. It's not just a camper, and it's not just a motorhome. It's a mobile luxury estate on wheels, blending Cadillac's tradition of refined craftsmanship with cutting-edge innovation for the modern traveler. Imagine a design that merges the elegance of a luxury sedan with the practicality of a full-scale adventure-ready RV. And you're only scratching the surface of what this creation has to offer. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome makes an immediate statement through its sleek, aerodynamic bodywork. The flowing lines, sculpted side panels, and signature Cadillac vertical lighting elements are seamlessly integrated into the camper's elongated form. The front fascia is unmistakably Cadillac, featuring a bold crystal-inspired grille flanked by ultra-slim adaptive LED matrix headlights. These lights automatically adjust beam patterns to avoid dazzling oncoming drivers, while providing maximum illumination on dark country roads. The camper sits on a purpose-built chassis with a long wheelbase, reinforced to handle the additional weight of onboard luxury features without compromising ride comfort. The 22-inch turbine-style alloy wheels, wrapped in all-season touring tires, add both presence and practicality. Chrome accents trace the window lines, while hidden power steps deploy when doors open for effortless entry. Beneath the body, Cadillac has equipped this motorhome with a powerful and refined hybrid powertrain. A 3.6-liter twin-turbocharged V6 works in harmony with dual electric motors to deliver a combined output of around 500 horsepower, giving this large vehicle surprising agility. Power is managed through an advanced all-wheel drive system, ensuring smooth and confident handling whether you're cruising the highway, navigating winding mountain passes, or pulling into a lakeside camping spot. The hybrid system is designed not just for performance, but also for efficiency, allowing for an electric-only mode that can handle short distances quietly and without emissions, perfect for slipping into campgrounds late at night without disturbing the peace. The ride quality is elevated by Cadillac's adaptive magnetic suspension, which continuously monitors road conditions and adjusts damping in milliseconds. Even on rough backroads, the motorhome glides with a level of composure normally reserved for flagship sedans. Noise-canceling insulation, double-pane glass, and strategically placed acoustic materials ensure a whisper-quiet cabin, allowing passengers to converse normally even at highway speeds. Stepping inside, you're greeted by a space that redefines what a camper interior can be. Cadillac's design team has taken inspiration from luxury penthouses and private yachts, blending premium materials like open-pore with veneers, hand-stitched leather, brushed aluminum, and ambient LED lighting. The front cockpit is driver-focused yet plush, with ergonomically contoured captain's chairs that feature heating, ventilation, massage functions, and multiple memory settings. A panoramic digital dashboard stretches across the front, merging a customizable instrument cluster with a large central infotainment display. Augmented reality navigation projects turn-by-turn directions directly onto the road ahead through the windshield, while a voice-activated AI assistant controls everything from climate to entertainment. The living area is where the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome truly shines. The main lounge features a pair of reclining leather sofas facing a 55-inch 4K OLED television that rises silently from a cabinet when in use. Surround sound audio is provided by a premium 20-speaker system tuned specifically for the motorhome's acoustics. A retractable dining table can be set up between the sofas, and the large panoramic side windows allow sweeping views of your surroundings, whether that's a beachfront sunset or a forest clearing. The kitchen rivals what you'd find in many upscale apartments. It includes an induction cooktop, a convection oven, a smart refrigerator with dual temperature zones, and a deep stainless steel sink with a pull-out spray faucet. All appliances are energy efficient, and designed to run off the vehicle's onboard battery system or shore power. Soft close cabinets are finished in matte walnut and lined with LED lighting for both style and convenience. Moving further back, the bedroom is a sanctuary on its own. A full queen-size bed with a memory foam mattress sits between nightstands, with integrated wireless charging pads. Overhead storage compartments are concealed within the clean ceiling lines, and blackout blinds ensure restful sleep at any time of day. A skylight above the bed can be dimmed electronically or opened for fresh air. The bathroom blends functionality with elegance. You'll find a spacious walk-in shower with rainfall and handheld options, a ceramic basin, and a smart mirror with built-in lighting and defogging features. The toilet uses an efficient macerating system, and the entire water setup is supported by large fresh and gray water tanks to extend the time you can spend off-grid. Speaking of off-grid capability, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is well prepared for extended adventures. The roof is lined with high-efficiency solar panels that feed into a large-capacity lithium battery bank, capable of powering lights, appliances, and climate control for days without external power. The onboard energy management system displays real-time usage and remaining reserves. A built-in water filtration system allows you to refill from natural sources, giving you more freedom to explore remote destinations. Safety, as always with Cadillac, is a top priority. This motorhome comes loaded with advanced driver assistance features including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, cross-traffic alerts, and a 360-degree camera system with a top-down view for precise maneuvering in tight spots. Automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, and trailer sway control are also part of the package. From a usability standpoint, everything about the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is designed to make life on the road as effortless as possible. The control systems are intuitive, storage spaces are abundant, and the build quality exudes durability. It's equally at home as a weekend getaway vehicle or a full-time mobile residence. For those who want to make a statement wherever they go, the Cadillac nameplate, paired with this level of luxury, ensures that you stand out in the best way possible. In essence, this is more than just transportation. It's a moving piece of modern architecture, a rolling embodiment of comfort and prestige. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome Camper blends power, technology, elegance, and practicality in a way that few vehicles can. Whether your journey takes you across the country or just to your favorite coastal retreat, it turns the road itself into part of the destination. I can also expand this script with more performance specs, customization options, and a deeper breakdown of the technology packages, so it becomes even longer and more cinematic. Do you want me to make it that extended version next?